Hello everyone. Welcome to Brainbug Knowledge Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how to use a dashboard. For that, firstly, we need to visit our website www.tradefit.com. After you enter the website, on the website you can see two buttons. Firstly, there is a login button and another is sign up button. For this tutorial, we will be using the login button. Then you have to log in for the corporate account. The page will be redirected to the TradeFit login page, and you need to put in the mobile number that you had provided for the NIPM Aurangabad webinar. Please put in that particular mobile number as the dashboard was made using that mobile number as the login ID. Please put in the password that was reset by you by the link that was sent to you. After getting into the dashboard, there will be a window asking you to put in the configurations and settings. You can choose a configuration at the moment or you can set it later. For this video, we will be choosing the company as the configuration. After setting in the configuration, you need to put in the name of your company. For this video, we will be putting the company as XYZ. After saving the configurations, you can go to your own profile. In My Profile. In this My Profile section, you can update your profile by putting in the organization name, the email ID, GST number, contact number, country code, and your own address. You can also put in your company logo, which will be then uploaded on the profile, and you can see that on your dashboard as well as on your report. When you put in the information, you have to choose update now so that the information that you had put in would be updated successfully and saved on your profile. You can also put in other configurations in edit configuration section. You can see number of configurations here. So you can put in year, class, division, department, level, sub-level, and rest of the things. So you can put in those configurations and again update the profile. Now we will go to the dashboard. We have provided you with 10 assessments as a sample free of cost. You see new, ready to share, sent, in progress, and completed. These are the test status sections. Here they will tell you where the test particularly is. In the new section, you will be given the unique IDs which you will have to provide information in. So when you go for the editing of the unique ID, you can put in the name, then you have to provide an email ID on which that particular test will be sent. You have to provide a mobile number, so you can send the SMS of the test link to that particular mobile number, and you have to select the company that you had put in. After updating, that particular unique ID will be appearing in the ready section. In the ready section, you can assign the test. For the sample, we have provided you with the emotional intelligence test. You have to select it and the unique ID will be disappearing from ready section and it will appear in ready to share section. Here you can again edit the test. So you can reassign the test and you can edit the information provided for that particular unique ID as well. But to send a test, you can send it via SMS or you can send it via email. So we have sent the test to the subject via email successfully. So it will appear now in the sent test section. When that particular person has started the test, it will appear in progress section. And once they have successfully submitted the whole test, it will appear in the completed section. That's how the dashboard works. For any more queries, you can contact us on the mobile numbers provided in the mail as well as on our email address info@brainbug.in. Thank you.